Here's how to change your original Whoop strap for a custom band that you could pick up from Amazon or even the official Whoop page. Let's go. This right here is a strap that I bought from Amazon for $20. Now, if you pay attention to this is literally the same strap that you could buy from Whoop itself, except instead of paying $80, $100 for a strap, you're paying $20. If you're trying to get a strap with good quality but very affordable, I'm going to leave it linked down below in the first link in the description of this video. But now let's get into how to change the strap on the Whoop. Now, the first thing you want to do is take off the original Whoop strap that come with the Whoop, and all you have to do is first take off these little hooks in here. So just really pull out these little hooks in here and then just deattach this thing, just slide it out from the actual Whoop sensor. There you go. Now you have the Whoop device, which is this thing right here, and you can put your original Whoop band away. Now we're going to install the Amazon band. So first I like to put this little part into the Whoop, so just literally hook it in the same holes that you took out the other little hooks from. Now you could clean the Whoop if you want to, now that you have it all deattached, but I'm going to leave it as it is for the purpose of this video. You will see this little dents inside, kind of these little slides in there. Just make sure those are facing up with the Whoop, okay? If they're facing down, you're not gonna be able to close it. So you want those to face up. Once you put this part on the Whoop, we're going to attach the rest of the band. So you will see that this little part right here, the one that has the pin, you will see that it has this end in here that kind of fits perfectly into this buckle that you put on the Whoop. So literally just put it into the other end and it goes into there. And now we're going to slide in the other side. The black part of this band is the outside of it, so just make sure it's facing upwards and then just slide it right into here like so. It should look like this now. And now to put it on, the way I like putting on this band is instead of putting it on like the regular Whoop where you will close it and then kind of close the clasp once this is put on your wrist, I like to actually close the clasp first. So make sure you get that click in there like that. Make sure both sides are closed, and there you go. Now you have it closed. And then I put it on like a regular watch or like an Apple Watch. Just put it on your wrist, flip it around, and then obviously find the proper size, close it with the pin that comes in there, and then just put the extra band inside this hole in here, like if you're wearing an Apple Watch. And there you go. That's how to put on that Amazon $20 band that you could buy for Whoop, so you don't have to overpay for it. And it actually looks really good. They have a bunch of different colors. So again, I'll leave it down below in the first link in the description. And if this video helped you guys, don't forget to subscribe. It really helped out the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.